Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero, and I am on a crawl space inspection out here in Ocean View, Delaware. And what I want to point out is, you see all the water that's getting in here? All that is coming from around the footer and flooding into this crawl space. Now, there's been so much bulk water coming in here, and it's such a humidity issue that you can see all the insulation has lost its R value. You can also see on the wood all the mold growth. So what you can't see right now is that it is freezing outside and it is freezing down here. So all these pipes are exposed to the elements because you got open foundation vents all the way around. So this is how you end up with a burst pipe during the winter season. Guys, through here you can see on the block how the water actually comes up from the footer and soaking into the block through capillary action, and it's finding these little pits, and then it's puddling on top of the vapor barrier, keeping the humidity extremely high. You don't want this to happen. You don't want broken pipes. You don't want something this unhealthy here, because you don't want all this mold growth, and you don't want the stack effect to bring that up through your house, through the holes and cracks and crevices and everything else. So you want a clean and dry crawl space. You need to have it encapsulated, sealed properly, and environmental controls such as dehumidifiers to control the relative humidity, keep it below 60%. Not everybody knows how to do this stuff properly, and I can't warn you enough. A lot of people that are not moisture control experts, not crawl space experts, are trying to use encapsulation as a quick add-on business, and they're destroying people's homes and wasting thousands and thousands of dollars. So please make sure that you do your research. We would love to give you a free estimate. Give Hydro Hero a call at 302-321-7077. Please find us on our new website at hydrohero.com and check out the video section and the projects section, or past projects that we'll be launching here too. Just look at our map, and we'll have featured images of all of our work from beginning to end on there as well. So that's all I have for now. If you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button and share this video. If you're watching on Facebook, please hit the like button and share this as well. Drop any comments below. Be happy to answer them for you. Thanks so much for watching.